I'm gonna show you something crazy. Let's say you have 10 clients paying you £650 a month. That's £6,500 a month in pre-tax revenue that you're making for just giving your services to 10 clients within your local area, 10 businesses in your local area. Divide that by 30 days, because roughly, give or take, there's 30 days in a month, which is £216 a day, divided by 24 hours in a day is £9.02 every single hour. Now that is if you're sleeping, if you're on the toilet, if you're eating, or if you're out with your friends or family. It does not matter, you're making £9 an hour because all of your work is based on a retainer. They're paying you the same amount of money every single month for you giving them your services. The average person sleeps 8 hours a day. I don't, I sleep like 12, but that's 72. By the time you close your eyes and open your eyes, you've done no work whatsoever and you've made £72. Someone please explain to me why you watching this video right now have not started your own social media marketing agency. Because to me, it's a no-brainer. Actually, times that by 7 days in a week, you get paid £505 a week to sleep. Am I missing something, or is this just, maybe this is too hard to believe, but it's not, it's reality. It's honestly reality of when you start your own marketing agency. Now, to start your own marketing agency, I've done tens of videos on this channel already on how to start your own marketing agency, but I'll quickly run through it now. You can either start one on your phone, taking videos, editing it, and running client social media pages for local businesses within your local area. It can be done on a phone, it can be done on a professional camera, or you can go up a little bit and use a DJI Osmo Pocket 3. It's such a handy little device, it shoots 4K quality, and you can build a social media marketing agency from one of three of them. You get what I'm trying to say. Now you probably sat there going, well, Joel, it sounds easy, but what would I give them? Well, here's what you would give them. You would build a package, it's up to you how you build it, but if I was you, I would start by offering them a social media marketing package that consists of 1 or 2 shoot days a month, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, TikTok Reels, video content in general. I would offer them social media management, so you actually run the page for them. I'd offer them graphic design for all their stories or any posters or graphic design work that they may need. And I would offer them websites or ads if you know how to do it. If you don't know how to do it, don't worry about that. Just offer them content, which means you will then be a content creation agency. And you would have to then go and find clients. But Joel, how do I find clients? I'm calling 50 people a day and they don't want to listen to me. Look, finding clients is a hard thing and it's also an easy thing. By you sitting in your office or on your sofa making 100 phone calls a day to a local business in your local area isn't really going to work. Cold calling in 2024/2025 that we're coming into doesn't work anymore. But because it is a local business, probably 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes down the road, what's stopping you from walking into that restaurant or plumbing company or bathroom company or kitchen showroom and just introducing yourself? Hi, this is what I do. I run social media accounts, I'll do all your videos, I'll run all your social media, and I charge this much money every single month. You only need to get 10 of them and you're making £500 a week in your sleep. Like, it's not that hard. Now, if you're still struggling and you've gone into a few places and they've all said no, 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 I would use the final approach which works every single time, which is going into the business, introducing yourself, taking a free video and a couple of photos and putting it into like a little pitch deck for them and showing the client what you can do. By doing that, they're going to allow you to film in their premises to start with. And also you've got something for your portfolio to show the next client, which is in the same industry. It works 90% of the time. If that doesn't work, maybe don't start a marketing agency. But I'm pretty sure that will work. But that is how quickly you could start a marketing agency and make £505 every week in your sleep, which is nearly more money than someone works doing a 9-to-5 job working 5 days a week. It's crazy, but I just want you to try it. You don't need a fancy website. You don't need a fancy cold call system. Just become a content creator, which is either on your phone, on a camera, or on this little bad boy, which I actually use most of the time. This is sick.